Hello friends, today I show how to download any software from any websites. So let's start my video. So first go into Google and just search here filehippo.com, and you see first link, just click here and now open a website. So search, you see here interference, so just search any software that you want download. So I want to download VLC player, so I just type here VLC and search, and then you see here different options downloading. So just I want to download this VLC player 32 bits, so just click download. So close here. After some time waiting, we see there software will download. So in this way, usually download any software from filehippo.com. So do not forget, like and subscribe my YouTube channel, such more informative videos.